He's an air conditioner repairman. He's a home improvement guru. If your home is too hot or too cold, don't suffer. Simply call AC 911.
Hello, Family Air. What is your AC emergency? Yeah, no problem. We're on the way.
Thank goodness you're here.
Ma'am, you have an AC emergency. Point me in the right direction.
It's this way.
Okay, you say the unit's right out. Oh! Oh! I can't tell you! No!
Hello?
Hello, I'm looking for my assistant, Cal Cooper. He's got 70s hair, big old glasses, flat flannel jacket.
He's out back playing with my dog.
Mind if I come inside and go out there?
Yes, of course.
Thank you. The reason we were called here today is because the thermostat light is blinking service. So there's an issue with the system somewhere, and we're here to find that problem. Well, looking down here first, I would inspect for airflow. And, oh my gosh, look at this. Can't get it out. Another challenge. This filter is got all restriction. This system can't breathe, and I'm gonna bet you that's why the system's failing. We lift up the trap door, and we slide that puppy in there. While I'm here, it really makes sense that something for anybody to do really easy. Right here is our condensation line. It comes from the air conditioner. We have two things here. We have the condensation line and a secondary. This is to prevent any overflow issues and shuts the system off so you don't flood your house and create mold issues. In this one here, we have a little bypass dirt. You can see right here. Well, over time, that gets clogged, and that will create an issue with flooding. So we recommend every 3 months to put about 4 ounces of bleach down the drain. In doing that, that will help clear the drain of any clog.
Coming up, things take a troubling turn for the worse for the AC 911 team when Cal Cooper is cornered in the yard by aggressive dogs. Will James get there in time?
He's an air conditioner repairman. He's a home improvement guru. If your home is too hot or too cold, don't suffer. Simply call AC 911.
Cal Cooper, what are you doing? We don't have time for this. Let's get out of here. We got customers to take care of. Come on, let's go. Every 6 months, we highly recommend repairing or working on your AC systems. It might sound like we're trying to be in your house a lot, but in all honesty, I'm trying to protect you from repairing a high-end repair or a replacement. A $100 repair versus a $5,000 to $8,000 replacement, which is a softer touch. That's where we're at. We want to do the best we can for you long term. A few things my licensed contractors that work for us can do for you that you cannot do. First of all, make sure you don't fry yourself when you open the electrical panel. More than one time I've been out where homeowners do this themselves, and they fry a circuit board. My guys know how to access that.
Okay, what we're doing here is we're actually taking pressures and temperatures of the unit. We want to know what pressures and temperatures of the refrigerant is flowing so that we know if it's the correct amount of flow and cooling through the house. What we do with that is we take pressures and temperatures of the refrigerant. We recommend you do this twice a year, once in the summer and once in the fall.
I have another tip, a very simple thing you can do to your AC system with a tool you commonly have in your backyard. It's called a garden hose. Cleaning your outdoor coil. Easy, you go to water your plants and everything, just rinse the coils. That light dust, it might sound silly, it takes 2 to 3 minutes, but it will save you on the efficiency and the performance of your system. We can put a harsher chemical there on worst case scenario, horsehair, weeds, things like that, but just light dust, something you can do to help yourself out with minimal time and no cost. One thing about air conditioners is we have a lot of fine dust like in your house. And that fine dust builds up in your air conditioner as well. So what you can do is turn your power off and then just run water through your coils. And you'll see in the very bottom here, a little bit of debris coming out of there. Well, that's air loss, airflow loss of your AC system, which reduces airflow and raises your utility bills.
Coming up, just because he's a home improvement guru does not mean that Cal Cooper is an expert forklift driver. Will it be another terrible setback for the AC 911 team?
He's an air conditioner repairman. He's a home improvement guru. If your home is too hot or too cold, don't suffer. Simply call AC 911.
Right here is an example of a dirty coil. All this dirt and debris, this dog hair, lint, that's efficiency loss in your AC system and comfort loss in your AC system. This system needs to come out by a licensed professional every year on the cooling side, once a year on the heating side. So everything we do, we check your refrigerant levels, amp draws of your compressor, airflow through your coils, circuit boards, the connections there, they get loose. No one thinks about those little things that mean big things in the back end. The refrigerant pressure check. Well, now that there's a outdoor temperature, we check with both sides of the refrigerant levels, and that tells us the proper air temperature coming through your indoor coil from the outside. So it's a computer calculation we have, and there's a map on the back of the unit to tell us where we need to be at also. Hey Cal, I need a hand.
Yeah.
Do you know how to operate a forklift?
Am I the home improvement expert or what? The guru. You know.
Again, do you know how to operate a forklift?
Oh, sure.
Oh,
of course,
okay.
Yeah.
Can you please do me a favor? I'm
Yeah.
out of time. I need to take this to the warehouse so I can show the guys how to repair old systems.
Oh, sure. Yeah.
And
Oh,
to show what's
Jim,
wrong.
Jim,
All right,
you
thank
leave it to Cal. Okay, there. No problem. Good. Good. Ah. Ah! Oh, Jim, I'm so sorry. I didn't.
What'd you do?
I know. I'm so sorry.
My
It
God,
was just
look
too.
at this.
You had it a little high there. I didn't know that it would. I'm so
You
sorry.
said you can operate a forklift.
know, I
What
did.
happened?
I
What
know,
happened?
I can't.
Guess what, Cal? You're off the hook. This is a recycling unit. You're good. You're good to go. Thank you so much.
Oh, you-
We're
You don't need this.
I don't need this. No.
First the dogs, and now
First the
this.
dogs, now this.